Once again, a few days ago I put those seeds in those egg containers, egg trays rather, using them as my seed trays, and I just seeing that they're starting to pop. So I say I'll make a little video to show you guys, the outcome of those. But then I also was digging sweet potatoes today. Let me show you what I dug up. It is like, I would say, 6, 7 beds. I think one long one and probably 6 short ones. Yeah, and I find the potatoes did not even bear too well. Tomorrow probably I might go back and dig the rest. Let me show you guys some other stuff. Okay, this is stuff I'm going to plant this week. Those are seasoning peppers. I had already planted a good amount of those. I'll show you it in a bit. Those are tomato seedlings. Those here is where I am planting the tomatoes. As you could see, they're already planted. They're tiny, but I see they're growing. And believe me, all of those will be organic tomatoes. I will not be spraying them with anything but garlic. I will be soaking the garlic in water and probably leave it for about 2 to 3 days, and I spraying them with it. I think the most chemical thing I will be using there is NPK fertilizer. I have quite a bit of tomatoes planted, a couple hundred. Now this is where I've been spending most of my time. I have quite a bit of potatoes planted. This is not where I am digging those I harvested there. Those I harvested there is in another field. I've watched quite a bit of all on top there has. I've watched quite a bit of videos on YouTube about planting potatoes, but then I see they're using mostly like the potatoes themselves to make the plants. So what I am doing here, let me show you exactly. I would take a vine like this, probably cut it off around here, because like around here is like really soft. So I would take it around here because there is more material, and probably that vine I would make a whole heap of plants out of it. I would make like probably 3, 4 plants out of that vine, and I would be planting them, but I will not plant them this direction vertical. I'll plant them horizontal, because when you plant them horizontal and you come in to give them soil, like I have to do all those soon, like this week I have to fertilize them, remove the grass, and then now I will be giving them soil. I have quite a bit of potatoes planted, and that is not even anything yet close to what I am doing there right now, or what I have planned. And I have those are white ones, but then in them doesn't be white. It does still be a kind of way yellow. Let me see. This one is a different type. This one is orange. This one does come deep orange. Yeah. If I have to go lower, all lower is more beds, but those there I have not planted in them as yet. So like probably around Thursday, Friday, I will be fertilizing, planting, digging up soil, quite a bit of stuff. That's just one side of that piece of land. I have to dig up all going. There's this massive rock there. I have to dig all up the next side. From down there, where that piece of zinc is, going all the way up back on top of the hill. Anyway guys, it was just a little update video. Have a good day, okay?